Good morning everyone. Hello my dear students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. So today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 27 of your English grammar. The name of the chapter is contractions. So what are contractions? So contractions is a short form. It's a short form of a word or words. For example, I will give you more examples after that. Just like I am, I apostrophe am. So how we use that? Then we leave out one or more letters and use an apostrophe in their place. Okay. So contractions are common in everyday speech. We do not usually use them in the formal writing, but we always see it in the poem or in the storybooks or in English literature book or anywhere. If you see many times, if you see in the poem, there are many words that are written um, in the contraction forms, okay, short forms. Okay, so we make many contraction with auxiliary verbs such as the different form of the verb be, do and have, and with modals such as will, would, shall, should, can, could and must. So many times we use this contraction with these verbs also and with pronouns also. Okay, so students, look at the board. There are so many examples are there. These are the contractions with pronouns. So I am, how we write it? If we write in the contractions form, so how we write it? I am. So I write it I apostrophe am. So why we write I and am? We omitted one letter. We have to omit one letter here. That is, we have to leave out one letter. That A is I leave the letter A and for in the place of A I use apostrophe here. Okay, so I am, I write it I apostrophe am. He is, he apostrophe s. We are, we apostrophe re. Okay, you are, you apostrophe re. They are, they apostrophe re. He is, he apostrophe s. She is, she apostrophe s. It is, it apostrophe s. So how we read these words? Am, his, were, you are, their, his, says, its. Okay, so like this we read this word. I have, how we write this word? I have, I have. I apostrophe V. We have to omit two letters here, H and A. So we have to leave these two letters here, I apostrophe V. We have, how we write this? V apostrophe V. I had and I would. Both letters are also we write in the place of this I had, I would, I apostrophe D. Okay. We had and we would, how we write it? We apostrophe D, would. And he has, how we write is the word he has, he apostrophe s. It has, it apostrophe s. I will, how we write this word? Many times you see this in your poem or in your storybook also, that it is written in this form, I apostrophe and double L. So it is, it will, you will, how we write it? You apostrophe LL. Okay, it will, it apostrophe LL. Okay, I think all of you understand this, how we write these words in the contraction with pronouns, how we write it. Okay, so students, so there are more examples with the contraction with not also. Okay, so look at the board. So there are examples are here. So are not, how we write it in a contractions form? That when we write are not, so we don't have to write are not to the full word. We have to write easily aren't, are and apostrophe t. Okay, is not, how we write it? Isn't, is and apostrophe t. Did not, didn't, did and apostrophe and t. So we have to omit in not the word o. Okay, we have to omit the word o in the not word, and then use in the place of o, we have to use apostrophe in the place of o. What we have to use? We have to use the apostrophe in the place of O. Okay. Does not, doesn't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't. So I stress this word because it's something change in this word, because will not, we don't have to use will here. Okay, we have to use won't, W-O and apostrophe T. So the whole word change in the contraction of will not, won't, we have to write it. Okay, would not, so we have to use the word wouldn't. Okay, next is shall not. So in the form of will not and shall not, something is changed, totally changed. Okay, we don't have to use shall here. Okay, we have to use shan't, S-H-A-N apostrophe T. Should not, so we have to write it shouldn't. Cannot, we have to write it can't. Couldn't, we have to write it couldn't. Could not, sorry, in the place of could not, we have to write it couldn't. Must not, we have to write it mustn't, must not. So apostrophe, the word apostrophe is we have to use this word in the place of O, in the sense of not only. Okay, so I hope you all understand this chapter, children. So see this video attentively and learn it properly. This word you have to understand this easily, because this is a very easy chapter, students. So thank you. I hope all of you understand this chapter, children. So thank you, and that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.